The concept of adding fractions. What are fractions and how do you add them? A fraction is a part of a whole. A fraction has two parts. The numerator shows how many parts we have. The denominator shows how many equal parts the item is. There are three types of fractions. Proper fractions, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper fractions, the numerator is larger than the denominator. And mixed numbers, which are written as a whole number with a proper fraction. Let's start by adding two fractions with the same denominator. Because the denominators are the same, you only have to add the numerators. Still puzzled? Let's look at another example. 1/5 plus 2/5 equals 3/5. All we have to do is add the numerators if the denominators are the same. Now, look at a problem adding fractions with unlike denominators. Here we have 1/3 plus 2/5. After finding the least common denominator, the answer is 11/15. This can be a little confusing. Let's find out how to find the least common denominator by finding the multiples of 3 and 4. As you can see, 12 is the smallest number 3 and 4 have in common. It will be used as the least common denominator. Take a look at this problem. The common denominator is 12, but where did they get the 7 and 9? They simply divided the denominator, then multiplied the numerators. For example, 12 divided by 4 equals 3 times 3 equals 9, then added the new numerators. Here are steps to adding fractions with unlike denominators. Step 1, determine the multiples of the denominators and find the least common denominator. Step 2, set up your equation with the new denominator. Step 3, divide the old denominator into the new one. Step 4, multiply that number by the numerator and this number becomes the new numerator. Step 5, add the new numerator of your new fraction together and keep the denominator the same. Once you learn how to add fractions, you will be overjoyed and realize that it wasn't that bad. Remember, everybody, mathematics may not teach us how to add love or minus hate, but it gives us every reason to hope that every problem has a solution. Thanks for watching.